Hi folks, how you doing? It's Des Catties. In this video that you're about to see is the one where I met up with Dave Fryers this weekend gone, and I took my son Jake with us, and basically he was kind of the star of the video really. What I'd done was we give him the opportunity to start the fire, which he did, and I gave him a choice of what he wanted to use to light the fire. And he actually chose flint and steel, which is something that he's never used before. So the progress was for him to obviously just use the flint and steel on its own and try and get a spark. And he got a little bit disheartened at first because he couldn't do it. And then within sort of 15 minutes he was getting sparks, and he was getting quite consistent with his sparks. And then we went on to the process of char cloth, and then he made a fire. And then a little while later, as you'll see in the video, he actually had a go at a bow drill. I've had a look at a bit of the footage when I actually put it together, and it might look like that it's been a bit edited or something, or it kind of jumps to the flame. But fucking hand on heart here, Jake lit that fire on his own. He bow drilled that fire on his own. It took him quite a while. It probably took him about 5 hours, and he was aching the day after. His legs were killing him and all the rest of it, but he achieved that. That's the first time that he's done that. So you know, there it is folks. Alright, so I just wanted to do like a little bit of an intro to the video. So he was the star that weekend. I did do some other stuff as well, take some other video in, but I think he kind of stole the show. Alright, so I'll leave it up to you what you think. Leave your comments and all that, and hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Laters.
I'm getting sparks.
Yeah, I know. Just take your time with it. Be consistent. Quick. Right, allow that to go into the tinder bundle, Jake. Put the fire still down there, because you don't put that down into the tub. That's it, mate. Well done. Well done. Give it a nice little blow. Don't be scared of it. Give it a good blow, because you're going to provide that material with some energy now, so it'll invigorate some heat. Has it gone out? No, I don't think it has it? No, excellent. Shouldn't go out. That's it, well done. There you go. So put that onto the fire platform, and you can still keep blowing it. Yeah? So give it a nice blow. You alright? That's it. Give it right in there. There you go. Fantastic. You've got the birch bark as well you can use, that you've all the curls.
I'll let it glide a bit. No.
That's it, just put it on now. That's it.
Just put that there.
Yep, keep going. Just put it on. Put it on. Feed it on, fella. Well done.
It's falling off.
That's alright, don't worry about it, because that grass will take anyway. That's it, keep going, don't stop. You want to get as much energy now on that fire as you can.
Just put it around it as well, because it will extend.
Yeah, but at the moment you want to get it all into the flame, so you get as much energy on that flame as you can. Right, keep going, don't stop. Well done. Keep going, buddy.
I think that's quite quick.
I was actually very shocked how quick you got that. Go on then, start putting your little twigs on now then. That's it, just put them on as they are, mate. Yep, go on. Well done, man. Touch me. That was wicked. Well done, Jake. I'm proper pleased. Well done, sir.
I'll take that out. Why did I choose to lick that? There's that powder in it.
That's it, well done.
It's not foamy.
That's just because it's where it's been boiling. Yeah, that's fine.
Got the lunch noodles.
So, well done. Try and keep your drill vertical though, Jake, yeah? Try and keep it straight. That's it, use the whole length of the bow. You look a little bit too spaced out, but just get used to the technique of actually flicking it. Well done. That's brilliant.
Good.
Right, Jake's having his first number of goes of bow drill.
It's annoying.
We've all been there, buddy.
But I'm getting there.
Everyone goes through it, but he's sort of having a little go of just mastering the simple techniques of putting the bow drill or the drill into the bow and getting his positioning right and stuff like that. But at the moment he just wants to try and get some smoke out of the hearth. Try and apply a little bit more pressure, Jake, and speed. Pressure on top of the drill, and then speed you and apply a little bit more speed. Not too much, but
I just can't keep it straight. That's something I've just got to master.
That's it. You've got a nice flow. You've got quite a flow. Just a little bit of pressure and a bit of speed. I've seen Jake. He's done the. He's had a go with the char cloth with the flint and steel. He's now over with Dave, and they're collecting. He's been practicing with the bow drill, so he's managed to get smoke. Alright, admittedly it's from a pre-kit that I've made already, but it doesn't matter. He's still just having a go at the technique. It's going to be his first sort of real go of trying to blowing an ember into some sort of flame. So they're just collecting a load of grass now for their for the nest, for the ember to go in. And actually what's happening is he's trying to save up for a gaming computer. So what I did say to him is if he gets a dust cluster, I'll give him £10, and then if he can blow the bird's nest into flame, he'll get £20. But I think probably the biggest one for him will be the just the satisfaction of actually like for everyone, you know, you probably know yourself when you first lit your own, you know, when you really learnt the bow drill, and then you've gone from, you know, all that hard effort of, you know, the drill flicking out and everything else to actually producing flame is like such a real satisfying. So I think that's what's going to be a real good satisfying thing for him, apart from getting the £20 off me. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Proud daddy so far. This is Jake's first real live attempt now. That's it, mate, you take your time here, get yourself comfortable.
Keep going.
Oh, unlucky, mate.
Oh, close, mate, close.
Keep going, son. Keep going. Are you comfortable? Keep going then. As much as you can. You want to get as much ember there as you can. Much of that dust. You're brilliant. Better than going to the gym, son. Give it a real nice quick sort of. You've got an ember, but go for it a bit more. Go on, keep going if you can. Go on. Keep going. mate.
Look at it.
Keep going.
I can't.
I think you've got it, pal. I think you've got it.
Finally did it.
Fucking result. Touch me, man. Well done. Well done, Jakey. Right, now put it. Yeah. Put that into your nest.
That's a tenner.
Put it into your dust cluster now.
So what, do I just like...
Yeah, tip it in now. That's it. And then pick it up. Pick your grass up like you was doing on your... That's it. Keep blowing. Yeah, stand up. Put your grass around it as well. That's it. Keep going. Well done, mate. Keep blowing.
Yeah.
That's it. Go on. Keep going.
There's flame there.
Go for it. Keep going. Don't stop then. Keep going. Yes! Let's have a look, Jake.
Keep blowing it, go on, keep going. You've done it.
That's it. Let's have a look. No, look up. Blow into it again. Right up. Keep going.
Keep going. Go on, get it blowing. Go on,
That's
go on,
it.
blow it again. That's it.